Welcome to my channel. Let's Learn. Today in this video I would like to show you how to troubleshoot an issue with Snipping Tool or screenshot tool. Here I took the screenshot of the website using Windows logo plus Shift plus S, but it did not appear here. To troubleshoot, I went to the search bar and search for apps and click on installed apps. Once I found Snipping Tools, I went to advanced option. First, I reset and repair the application. But it did not work. After this, I changed the background app's permission to always, but it still did not work. As my last option, I uninstall and reinstall it. However, it still did not work. Finally, I found the issue is not with the application, but with the notification setting. To resolve this, go to the notification at the left bottom corner and right-click to go to the notification setting. If Do Not Disturb is on, turn it off. Then I found notification is turned off and I turn it on. And I make sure notification is on for Snipping Tool. In this way, I resolve the issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you appreciate my effort, kindly subscribe to my channel.